Okay, guys, I'm back again with another comics to share. So this is my current comic haul. So I'm really excited to share it to you guys. So welcome back again to Boy Bukas Toy Box, and we're going to I'm going to share my comics haul.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this one, some of them was released a week ago or so, but they're still fresh and minty. So I got a chance to find all these new release of Transformers from Image. So we got the black and white cover of issue number 1. And the colored version, issue number 1. So that's really cool cover page. So yeah, so I like this one. I find 4 issues, so but I'm still wondering how many. So I'm just started to read it or finding out more about this issue. So yeah, so I don't know how I can complete. I hope I can complete this series. So we got the number 2, got the number 3, and the number 4. Because I already pick a lot. I see 2 issues of number 4, but I rather keep the Megatron one. I think the other one is Shockwave. Oh no, forgot the other one. But yeah, so that's it. That's the story, and I find a lot of Jim Lee DC Comics cover artwork. I think there's like an ongoing how do you call it, like a series of cover art that everything's that there's maybe a percentage of something that goes to a charity. So I try to complete all those, but let me see if it's all here. Oh yeah, they're here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, but most of them is hard to find now. So I only find this one and this one, and I think I found, yeah, also here. So I only found 3 of Jim Lee's special cover art. So I hope I can find the other 5, hopefully. So okay, so what is really the coolest, the Catwoman number 64, and of course, oh, why not Bizarro? Pretty cool. Aquaman, and some Pete's Momoko Star Wars Vision variant edition cover. This is really a great story. Yeah, and then Takashi Kasaki. There is one that I was really looking for, but it's really hard to find out because it's really expensive. Forgot the artworks. I forgot the artist names. So that is really cool. So another Pete's Momoko cover or comics here. So there's a lot of artworks. Okay, so I think sorry, but this Story Visions. That's a Vision Pete's Momoko, but the artwork is by Sakai. And this one is it's already the 3rd printing. Did not notice that, but I'm still happy because it's Pete's Momoko. And another cool pre-comics or preview of the comics. But what's good about this series, or there are some special features here and preview. So nice, like a short story of, or parts of the upcoming comics releases. And of course the DC one. I don't find the Image one or other comics, so I just grab these two. So okay, so there you go, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.